There is a place, hidden in the quiet corners of the world, where the wind whispers secrets to the trees and the rivers carry away every worry. This place is not far, it is within us, waiting to be found. Imagine walking through a forest, the golden sunlight filtering through the leaves. Each step is light, effortless, as if the earth itself is guiding you. The birds sing, not in a rush, but in harmony with time. You breathe in, feeling the cool air fill your lungs, and suddenly everything makes sense. The worries of yesterday? They drift away like ripples on a still lake. The weight of expectations? Dissolves like mist in the morning sun. You realize that peace is not something to chase. It is something to embrace, like the gentle touch of a breeze on your skin. In this moment, you are enough. You are whole. You are home. Let nature remind you there is no rush, no race. Just the steady rhythm of life, flowing like a quiet river, carrying you exactly where you need to be.